How to fix Google Play Store stopped working on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Play Store stopped working on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here type Google Play Store and then click storage and clear cache, and after that click force stop, and now your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix it, now scroll down and here we'll find right system settings, make sure it's enabled and go to permissions, allow all of those permissions, and now go to Google Play services and then go to storage and clear cache. And that's it. Now try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.